Hi everyone, welcome to Virginia. Okay, so last stop. We're here in Virginia right now. So, ito na yung aming last stop for today. Actually, so we're already in our destination. Sabi daw nila, look, Virginia is for lovers. So, sana makahanap din ako ng sarili kong lovers. So, thank you guys and see you again later when we're already home. Love, love daw. Love, love. Yan. Teka. Sana ba yun? There you go. Oops. Sapa. Yeah. Love. Yan, love. Peace out and Virginia.